Happy birthday, dear Lord. What's his name? Happy birthday to you. Hey, gotta wait. Take off your mask. You gotta blow your candle. Take it off. You gotta blow your candle. Sit up, sit up. Sit up, blow your candle.
Make a wish.
Blow.
You have to make a wish.
A little brother and a sister. Blow.
1, 2, 3, blow it. What do you think about?
You're supposed to help him, Mommy.
What do you want? What do you want?
Dude, you guys want to
Okay, sit up and blow your candles. Sit up and blow your candles. Blow your candles. Blow your candles.
Don't tell nobody you wish.
Blow it.
Blow it.
Blow it.
Dude, get closer, dude, because I see
Blow
little
it.
spitballs.
Go, your mouth.